My name is Safi Darden, and I'm a lecturer here in psychology. I've just started this lectureship this past summer and was originally a research fellow. I actually came into psychology from biology, which was originally driven by an interest in animals and wanting to work with animals in the wild when I was little. And then throughout my education, I started to kind of narrow my focus into animal behavior, which is what I specialize in. There are a number of rewarding aspects about a career in psychology. Probably the most rewarding for me comes in conducting research and being able to essentially delve into something that really interests me and really excites me, and having the freedom to do that and to do everything from asking a question to designing the type of data collection that I'll use to answer this question, and to finishing it off with the output. And another quite rewarding aspect of it is the colleagues and the people that I get to interact with, and the students. And this is everything from undergraduate to MSc to PhD students. I find that being in an academic environment, the academic environment attracts a certain caliber of person, but also a certain type of person that I think, especially here in psychology in Exeter, we're very lucky in the composition of students and staff. I have two main pieces of advice for people considering a career in academia. And the first one is to take advantage of mentoring every step of the way. So be open in speaking to people and asking questions about what you need to be doing and what you need to be thinking about, and also in taking advice. A mentor might come along, but you might also want to actively choose someone and ask if they would like to mentor you. And there's actually literature out there on how to choose a mentor and the type of mentor that might be best for you. And the other piece of advice is to the things that scare you most about your career path, to just do them again and again and again so they don't scare you anymore. And just to give an example, the biggest fear that I faced in pursuing my career was actually getting up and speaking in front of a group of people. And the thought of giving a seminar or lecturing in front of students, for example, just really scared me. So I made sure that I used every opportunity that I could to actually get up and give a presentation, and that I forced myself to ask questions during seminars that other people gave and things like that. Just really, and even though before I had to give a seminar or something, maybe in the 24 hours up to that, I would really be very annoyed with myself for agreeing to do it. I'm very glad that I did, and this, I think, is something that's so important, that you don't limit your opportunities or your possibilities because there's just a couple of things that are providing an obstacle for you, but you make sure that you actively overcome them.